In Japan, if a train is just 1 minute late, the company says sorry. 1 minute. Why? Today, we find the answer. And while we do, you will learn 5 useful English words. Listen carefully. You will hear each word many times. Let's begin. First, a question. When your train is late, how do you feel? Probably angry, right? A late train is called a delay. In many countries, a delay of 10 or 20 minutes is normal. But in Japan, even a small delay is a big problem. So how late is too late in Japan? You will not believe the number. In Japan, trains are famous for being on time. The average delay of a Japanese bullet train is less than 1 minute per year. Not per day, per year. So the trains are almost always on time. But what happens on the rare day they are not? When a train is late, the company does something surprising. They apologize to every passenger. Once, a train left the station 20 seconds early, and the company apologized in public. They said sorry for being too fast. The plan of times, when each train arrives and leaves, is called the schedule. In a city like Tokyo, millions of passengers use the trains every day. If one train breaks the schedule, all the other trains are late too. So being on time is not just polite, it is necessary. Because the trains are always on time, people say they are reliable. A reliable train means you are never late for work. You can trust the schedule 100%. That is why Japan's railway is famous all over the world. Now repeat after me, slowly. The train is on time. There is a small delay. Japanese trains are very reliable. 5 new words, now they are yours. Quick test. What is the opposite of on time? Write your answer in the comments. Subscribe to Ninja English. Every day we learn English from real stories. See you next time.